Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best truck ramps is probably one of the most important investments you can make for maintaining your truck, making oil changes and other undercarriage maintenance significantly easier and safer than wrestling with a jack and jack stands, saving you time, effort, and potential injury. This video will cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect set of ramps for your truck. Number 5. RhinoGear RhinoRamps MAX. These ramps offer a sturdy and portable solution for accessing your vehicle's underside. Their robust design ensures safe and easy use. They're built tough to handle the weight, providing reliable support for your vehicle. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. These ramps are designed for easy storage. Their nesting design saves valuable space in your garage or workshop. Safety is key. The non-skid base helps prevent slippage, providing a secure working environment. It makes accessing low-clearance vehicles simple and straightforward. The gentle incline is easy on your vehicle and your back. These ramps are built to handle heavy vehicles. They provide the support you need for safe and reliable access. What we like. It boasts an impressive weight capacity, ensuring it can handle even the heaviest trucks. Its rugged build promises years of reliable service. Plus, its portable design makes storage a breeze. If you need a heavy-duty ramp for your large truck and value portability, this is the one for you. What people say. I am impressed with the build quality on these, and even after a few uses they show no signs of wear, cracking, or fatigue. Remember, they make two sizes. I bought the max size, which holds more weight. These ramps are much faster for getting the front of the truck up off the ground, making an oil change much easier. Also, with the truck on an incline, the oil will move towards the drain plug, getting a little more of the dirty oil out of the pan. These ramps are incredibly sturdy and well built. With a 16,000 pounds GVW capacity, they easily support my Suburban and provide a stable platform for any maintenance work. The heavy-duty construction gives me confidence that they will last for years. The non-skid base keeps the ramps securely in place on various surfaces, preventing any slipping or shifting. The raised edges guide the tires perfectly, ensuring the vehicle stays centered and secure while on the ramps. The ramps have rubber grips at the start of the ramp to keep it from sliding. At the top of the ramp is a lip to keep you from going over and off the ramp. And these ramps are an inch wider than most to accommodate the wider at MT truck tires. Number 4. Black Widow PSR 295 Ramps. Need to work under your car? These ramps make it easy. They're perfect for oil changes and other routine maintenance. With a 10,000 pounds capacity, it safely lifts cars and trucks. You can confidently perform your work. They lift your vehicle 6.25 inches, providing ample working space underneath. Get the job done comfortably and efficiently. Each ramp measures 35.5 L x 12 W x 8.5 H, and the lightweight design makes them easy to handle and store. They're also easy to transport. Made from durable, high-impact plastic, they're built to last. Plus, the grid design helps water and debris drain away. Simply roll your vehicle onto them. It's that simple. Get back to work quickly and safely. What we like. These ramps are surprisingly lightweight, making them easy to handle and store. The durable plastic construction is built to last. The grid design helps with drainage. If you prioritize ease of use and storage without sacrificing durability, this is an excellent choice. What people say. They're very sturdy with the no-slip pads underneath. Weight is there, which is what you want, and they have a 5-ton capacity, aka 10,000 pounds. So they can lift pretty much everything on the market. Got these ramps to undercar work without having to hassle with the jack and jack stands. This product worked great. Gives enough clearance to work, and it is long enough to roll a lowered car on it. Very sturdy, lightweight and easy to carry around. These ramps are perfect for 2023 Dodge Charger GT. They are the right height to fit under the front spoiler without damaging it. Ramps are lightweight, good quality, and fair pricing. Number 3. BISupply Vehicle Ramps. These ramps make working on your vehicle's underside easy and safe. Change your oil, or perform other maintenance tasks with confidence. Their large surface area and sturdy design provide excellent stability. The textured surface and non-skid pads prevent slipping, keeping your vehicle secure. They lift your vehicle 6.6 inches, providing ample clearance for maintenance. The wide ramps accommodate even extra-wide tires. Just place them on a flat surface and drive your vehicle onto them. It's that easy to get started with your repairs. Made from durable plastic, they're built to withstand heavy use. The raised tire stops and non-skid pads add extra security. With a 10,000-pound weight capacity per ramp, they can handle cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. They're perfect for any maintenance job. What we like. This set provides exceptional stability and a high weight capacity, making it perfect for larger vehicles. The wide ramps offer extra security and stability. The design prioritizes safety and ease of use. If you need a reliable and safe ramp for heavier vehicles, this is a great option. What people say. They are very well made and seem very sturdy, although I still use jack stands for safety. Lightweight, less than 20 each. The long length provides plenty of clearance from the low-hanging front spoiler. I still had an extra 2 of width for my 245/45 or 20 tires. These ramps both work with my new car and give me complete confidence in putting myself under the lifted vehicle. They do not move while driving the vehicle on or off. There is no cracking, creaking, groaning or any other signs of strain while doing so. Inspecting them after having the car on them for a couple of hours shows no signs of distress. The ramps are not light, at about 20 pounds per ramp. But they are easily maneuverable and store easily on end. Number 2. BISupply Vehicle Ramps. These ramps make working on your vehicle's underside easy and safe. Change your oil, or work on other parts with confidence. Their large surface area and raised sides provide excellent stability and security, keeping your vehicle level and secure during maintenance. They lift your vehicle 6.3 inches, providing ample clearance for easy access to the undercarriage for routine maintenance tasks. These ramps accommodate a wide range of vehicles and tires. Simply place them on a flat surface and drive your vehicle onto them. Made from heavy-duty plastic with a textured surface and non-skid pads, they're built to withstand regular use and provide reliable support. With a 4,000-pound weight capacity per ramp, you can confidently perform various maintenance tasks on cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. What we like. These ramps are incredibly lightweight, making them easy to move and store. They're also built to last with durable plastic construction. The compact size is perfect for smaller garages. If you value lightweight convenience and durability, this is a great option. What people say. Held my RAV4 easily, finished my oil change with the confidence they won't fail. Good grip and ground clearance. I tested on a 2013 Kia Rio with low ground clearance at the front, no scratches. Great product, sturdy, durable, and was able to lift my car up far enough for me to get under and change my oil, didn't have to use a jack. Number 1. VIVOHOME Car Ramps. Tired of struggling with jack stands? These ramps provide a safe and simple solution for working on your vehicle. They're perfect for oil changes and other routine maintenance. The ramp's gentle incline makes it easy to drive your car onto them, even if it's lowered. This is much safer than using a jack. The unique honeycomb design channels away water, oil, and dirt. Cleaning up after maintenance is a breeze. Built from high-impact plastic, they can handle up to 6 tons total. The wide surface and slip-resistant feet ensure stability. The curved grooves keep your vehicle securely in place, preventing it from sliding. They're suitable for home garages and professional shops. What we like. The low-profile design is perfect for low-clearance vehicles. The wide ramps provide enhanced stability. They're made of heavy-duty plastic for long-lasting use. If you have a low-clearance vehicle and need a stable, heavy-duty ramp, this is the one for you. What people say. Gets me just high enough to clear the jack and small enough to store easily in a corner. Strong and stable. Made of heavy-duty plastic that is durable and sturdy enough to accommodate any truck, car, or even lawn mower. The weight capacity is 13,200 pounds 6 ton minus 3,300 pounds 1.5 tons per each ramp. They have a slip resistance bottom which keeps them from sliding on concrete floors. A curved groove design on top to secure the vehicle from sliding back down. 9.05 inclination and loading angle makes it easier and safer for jacks and lifts. The ramps elevate your vehicle approximately 2.75 inches higher off the ground in order to perform routine maintenance. The honeycomb design not only looks cool but allow the water, dirt, oil and debris to be easily removed and cleared. They are extra wide to support your regular and extra wide tires, giving you extra safety and stability. These were exactly what I needed to get my floor jack under my lowered VW Beetle. They would have been perfect if they were an inch wider, but that's my only complaint. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.